Hello guys, I hope you're doing great and I hope you're feeling well. I'm Mary and this is Hyperpix Productions team. So in this video I'm going to introduce one of our Chrome text effects from our text effects collections, which it looks so realistic and great with the metal texture which is used in it, and it's designed by our designers and they've spent hours on it, which enables you to convert your text or logo into this adorable and professional style without needing you to be a professional at Photoshop or without needing you to spend ages of your precious time to get to this result. So it's done just with one click, like all of our other products if you're familiar with them, and the result, as you see, is so fantastic and realistic. So by using this text effect you can get your projects and works much more faster done and save on your time hundreds of hours. So if you like to download this template, you just need to join the VIP account, which you can use the link which appears right here down below, and refer to hyperpix.net and join the VIP account. So if you get the annual membership, you can get all of our yearly updates and products which we're going to share and publish in this 1 year, so you can access all of them. Or if you get the lifetime membership, you're going to access all of our products for a lifetime, and you can use all of these products and templates in your personal and commercial works and projects. So before we get started with the video, don't forget to go to our YouTube channel, subscribe and hit the bell and share with your friends so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. So let's just get started. Before I show you how we can get started, I'm going to tell you that this template works on all the different languages and you're not just limited to English or Latin. So you're totally free to use any language or any font you like and you have in mind. And for example, this is a result of how it works on Japanese, and as you see how fantastic it looks. So I'm going to close and let's get started with editing. Just right click on the yellow layer and click edit content. In a window which opens right here, we have two texts here which are different fonts, so you can change the fonts if you like, or if not, you can just use the exact same fonts. For example, I'm going to type Chrome and the E at the end a bit larger. I'm going to just enlarge a little, bring a little up, and here we go. So we do the same with the bottom text, just like this. Here we go. So notice about the phone at the bottom, which gives you some interesting abilities, which you can edit the glyphs of the characters, which is very interesting and it enables us to have different characters in different styles. So I think everything's perfect, everything's in its right place and it's excellent. I'm going to close and click save. So as you see, this is our so charming result, and without any extra work our text is applied just with a few clicks. So let's get on with the rest of the folders. We have the sparkles folder here, which is used in most of our products. You must be familiar. You just need to select them one by one and place them in their exact right place wherever you like. There's no limits to have this adorable cute light reflection. So you can select them or just make them small, minimize them with Control and T and place them in all different parts of your text. Mostly they use them on the corners and the edges of the text to have this nice light reflection, but you're totally free and you don't need to follow what I'm doing. So I think it's great, everything's fine. So at the bottom right here we have two texts which you can have them, you can change their place, move them around, or change the text inside. Just double click and type your text, or have your name, for example, as I do, your name, just like this. Also you can select the shape around it, and by using these tools you can just adjust a little or compact. Anyway, you're totally free from both sides, and here we go. I'm going to put the shapes where there was. So you can do so if you like, or you can just have it as the way it is, or you can also switch this section off. Anyway, you're totally free. So I'm going to minimize a little, bring it a little down, and here we go. I'm not going to change this part, but it's editable. Bring it down a little, everything's okay. So the next part is the effects folder, which we're going to ignore this folder. We don't need it that much because it contains the main layers of our style, and it's a little complicated. But anyway, you can, the outer glow, you can switch it off or just keep it on. It gives a nice glow to your text. It's magic, honestly, which you can just switch it off if you don't like it. So after opening the style, in this section you can adjust the brightness and contrast. You can increase or decrease, which is a great option we have. Also, we have the texture right here, which is editable. If you just unlock it from up here, you can drag the texture and place it wherever you feel like, up or down. As you see, the pattern and, for example, texture is changing. You can place it wherever you like and have some so new results, which is gorgeous. So I'm going to see how it's going to work on logo. I'm going to convert the style on logo. So we come back to this window right here, and I'm going to insert my logo. I decided to use the Jack Daniel's logo. I'm going to insert it right here, place it right in the middle, in the center. We don't need these two texts, just delete them, remove them, or just switch the visibility off. So we have Jack Daniel's right here, place in its right place. We close and click save. So as you see, the result is perfect. It's so stunning and great. As you see, it looks polished. So we don't need these texts, just switch them off. We have the sparkles here, which you can place them in their right place, or if you want to be much more faster, you can just delete all of them, remove them, and just leave one remaining. And from the sparkle that's left, you can get copies of it and place it wherever you want. You can just get copies with the Alt button and drag and place it all over your text and your pattern or your shapes and your logo. So it makes you much more faster in editing, and it increases your speed. So any way you feel like, just place it. As I said, just try to place them on the edges mostly to have a beautiful light reflection. For example, I'm going to place one more here, and we're done right here. So if you like to have it in transparent, there's no limits. You just need to switch the background folder off, and as you see, the result is magnetic and it's great. Just check out the result. It allows you to drag it onto any projects and use it, or you can get a PNG outcome and use it in all your different projects. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. So to access this text effect, you just need to refer to hyperpix.net, join the VIP membership for a lifetime, and you're going to access all of our products and our updates. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Bye to our next video from Mary.